In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube background image. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so a YouTube background image, which is also called a channel banner, helps make your channel look more professional and recognizable. So we need to go ahead and create that YouTube background image with AI. Now, what I like to use is ChatGPT for this. Now we need to go ahead and come on over to chatgpt.com and sign into your account. Now from here, we want to go ahead and give this a strong prompt. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a prompt. This is just for an example. Create a modern YouTube banner for a gaming channel with neon blue lighting, futuristic elements, a dark background, and space in the center for the channel name. Use YouTube banner dimensions of 2560 by 1440. Now I'm also going to add in my channel name is Tutorial Wiz. We can go ahead and give it some color ideas if you want. Be as descriptive as possible to get the best result. Then from here, go ahead and click on send prompt, and that's going to go ahead and start cooking. Give this up to about a minute on free accounts to go ahead and create that design. And now once we've done that, we want to come over to our YouTube studio. So go to studio.youtube.com, go to customization. Now under the profile tab, want to go ahead and click on change, and then go ahead and upload your banner inside of there. So let me come back here. All right, it's still sketching out, so I'll pause this video. Okay, so this is what it's given me. So I want to go on and click onto it. Now we can make changes, we can describe edits here. Now if you like it, go ahead and download it. Now we can see we've got that image, and come back to your channel customization and go ahead and change it, or go ahead and click on add. And now as it states here, for best results on all devices, use an image that's at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabytes or less.